Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of December. And first of all, national news. PM Modi spoke to Andhra CM, took stock of preparations to handle approaching cyclone. Indians firmly with politics of good governance. PM Modi on BJP's big win. Humbly accepted mandate of MP. Chhattisgarh Rajasthan battle of ideology will continue. Rahul Gandhi. Counting of votes for Mizoram Assembly polls on Monday, security tightened. Faulty road engineering often reason for accidents in India. 5 lakh recorded annually, Nitin Gadkari. The Election Commission of India ordered suspension of Telangana DGP for violating Model Code of Conduct. Indian envoy visited Sri Lanka's north underscores India's commitment to country. Illegal to grant bail for limited period after concluding accused entitled to it pending trial. Supreme Court. Now international news. As host of UN COP28 climate talks, the autocratic UAE is now alloying in critics it once kept out. India agreed to withdraw soldiers from Maldives. President Mohammad Muizzu. Hamas tunnel network, Israeli military found 800 ships, destroyed over 50%. Russia said Ukraine air defense post hit by forces. And a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Philippines. UK to conduct surveillance flights over Gaza to find Hamas held hostages. Indonesia's Mount Merapi volcano erupted, spews ash 3 km into sky. Drone activity potential explosion in Red Sea, UK's maritime agency said. Now some sports news. Ramkumar Ramanathan cinches ITF Kalabugari Open title. India lost 2-3 against Belgium in Junior Women's Hockey World Cup. India set to bid for 2029 World Athletics Championships. Athletics Federation of India AFI to stop national camps after Paris will leave door open for public-private entities. Issei Wong shone as England women's beat India by 3 wickets to take series 2-1. Lessons he taught me. Sachin Tendulkar remembered childhood coach on his birth anniversary. Now news related to business. The big fat Indian wedding, cheaper hotels and flights, visa-free deals drive business overseas. Andhra Pradesh semi-guaranteed pension with add-ons could set the template. RBI to retain 6.5% interest rate as economic growth comfortable inflation in check. Exports. Delhi airport plan levying higher charges for grounded aircraft. And that's all in news. Thank you.